supposed to fully go anywhere. Yeah.
Where are you going, Emmy?
You gonna go show Miss Donna you're pulling the flag? Yeah, I don't want to ride on it, but I'll pull it. Funny, Emmy saw Eric. It's her boyfriend.
Okay, then do it.
No, I want to go sledding where Marissa and them were. But I don't know where that is.
I don't either.